Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's been a while since I posted a video. I know it's been quite some time, and I know my New Year's resolution was, to post more and everything, and I do apologize for that. With everything that's going on with the world, myself, and just like everything else, it's just been so hectic. And again, I apologize for that, so I hope to upload a lot more. And also, before we get started with today's video, I hope you guys are social distancing, you're staying safe at home, and if you do need to go out, I hope it's only for the essentials like grocery shopping and all that stuff. Please stay safe. We need to flatten the curve. We need to do everything that we can to stop this, because I miss going out with friends. I miss going to like a restaurant and socializing. It's not the same when you're just like over the screen and everything. I get it that we're still talking, but it really is not the same experience. And I miss that. I really do. So I hope like all this ends soon. So please do your part and let's stay home. Little contact with other people. Do not go outside to other people's houses. The point of this is to stay home. Please stay home. Don't go to other people's houses. Don't invite other people over. We need to stop this ASAP so life can get back to normal. The longer we delay this, the longer that this will last, It's just easy as that. So with that out of the way, as you can see with the title of today's video, I'm gonna tell you guys, tell you and show you my holy grail mascaras. Now, if you are Asian, most likely you would have sparse lashes, straight lashes, and they're probably short as well. I fit the bill for that. Some of you don't have that. I'm really jealous, by the way, if you do. But unfortunately, I was not blessed with those genes. And not saying only Asians have sparse, short lashes. I know that other people have that as well that are not of Asian descent. But to be honest, the majority are Asians. And because of that, myself, and I'm pretty sure other people as well, have a difficult time picking out mascaras to hold a curl specifically. You could get anything that's for volume, lengthening, whatever. But to get something that holds a curl after you curled your straight lashes actually, and to put on the product and it just does this afterwards, like immediately right after, nah. So growing up, I always wanted to have like the curl, those like lashes that like go touching your eyebrows, basically. Not really, but like, just like it shows, not after putting on mascara and it just droops down after. Unfortunately, I couldn't find anything like that over the years, but then I found the Shiseido mascara base primer mascara, whatever. Unfortunately, they discontinued that a couple years ago, and I've been trying to find a dupe for that. Luckily, I did, and it is the Dr. Mascara Fixer. This is the Volume Up Curl Fix Coating Fix. Now, this is mainly for like volumizing, but it does the same thing as the mascara base from Shiseido. The consistency is pretty similar. I feel that with the Shiseido, it did more separating, lengthening. But again, this is more catered to volumizing, but it still holds a curl. As much as I love this, I wanted to have more options, just in case if for whatever reason this got discontinued, which I hope it doesn't, but I wanted more options. So this is by the Etude House. I hope I'm pronouncing that correctly. And because this worked well for me, I decided to explore the brand more. So I also got it's the same packaging, but it's just this one's in black. This doesn't volumize, it curls, but it tints the lashes. And there was one more in here, and oh yeah, the curl fix. Now, I don't know about the other mascaras, I'm pretty sure they do the exact same thing, but these hold a curl. Like, they will not make your lashes droop down after you curl them. So I want to show you guys a comparison side by side, how well these work compared to like a regular mascara, like Maybelline, Marc Jacobs, drugstore luxury, like all that stuff. I don't have any luxury mascaras, but they pretty much work the same way as like a drugstore one. My lashes will just droop down if I didn't have a primer. And because Shiseido discontinued that, I was freaking out. I was like, great, I don't have a mascara primer anymore. My lashes aren't gonna last. They're just gonna droop down now, and it's just gonna look like my lashes here and my false lashes, you know, it's just gonna look weird. So enough blabbering, I'm gonna show you guys side by side again of my Holy Grail mascaras compared to a normal one. Okay, I zoomed you guys in as much as I could. So this side is going to be with the normal mascaras. This side will be the Etude House. And then I'll show you guys side by side and then take this off and show the other mascara. I don't know what ingredients that they have in here, how they formulate it, but it definitely works for Asian lashes. By the way, if you guys know any other brands that can hold a curl like these ones, please let me know in the comments below, just so, you know, I have more options and variety. And for you guys as well, just so you know, in case like you have any troubles like I am. And even when people say to use waterproof mascara, it still doesn't work for me. So if your eyelashes are stubborn like mine, please try out these products. They are great. And once again, if you know anything else, please tell me down below. Okay, I keep blabbering on right now, so let's just go on with it. So I am using the Uemura eyelash curler. So as you can see, the lashes are curled. I'm gonna go in with this one, and it's supposed to curl, and it just does a light tint. If there are days where you just want to have like a very light face, very fresh face. So this is what the wand looks like. And we are just going to apply that. So this is not really targeted for lengthening. I mean, volumizing, what am I saying? This is not targeted for volumizing. It's just to hold the curl again and to tint the lashes just enough so they appear darker. Now I did get these straight from the Etude House website, and they came fairly quickly, surprisingly. So I do recommend using their actual website. So this is what my right side of my face looks like. As you can see, it's still holding a curl. I'm going to use a notebook for this. So I don't know if you guys can tell. So it's still holding a curl, as you can see. And it looks just like when I curled them too. There's no drooping or anything. As you can see right there. Now, I'm going to compare it to the left side of my face, where I'm just going to use the straight up mascara on its own. And you're going to see the difference. Curl, curl, curl. As you can tell, this side is curled now. And I'm going to go in with Physicians Formula. I love this mascara when I use it with the others, because the other ones, they hold the curl, while this one does is volumizing, lengthen, and all that good stuff. So I'm gonna go in with the volume side with my bare lashes, and hopefully you guys can see this. So I'm just gonna go right in. I'm gonna coat those. Volume, volume, volume. Get every single one. Since my right hand can't get into the corners too well. So if you look at the two, this side is still very, very curled, while this side is not that much. And if I turn to the side, which I hope you guys can see, my lashes aren't as curled compared to the right side. It's weighing down my lashes and it's going back to becoming straight. Rather, this side, time has passed as well. And it's still curled. I hope you guys can see this. I hope it's focusing on like the lashes and everything, but I hope you guys can tell on this side that it's just straight now. It's not even curled anymore. It's gone back to being straight. And if you look at me, like straight face, this side is definitely still curled compared to this side. Now I'm going to take off the mascara on this side and use the curl fix, just so you guys can see that this still holds a curl as well. Because I think this is a little bit more goopy. Yes. So it's a little... So I don't know if you guys could tell. It's a little bit more goopy compared to the other one. Alright, so the mascara is gone on this side, as you can tell. So now we're going to curl the lash again. And use the curl fix. Lashes are curled. So now I'm going to go in with the curl fix. And I'm going to apply that straight on. So this specifically is just supposed to curl the lashes. There's not much volume going on. getting the mascara everywhere. Okay, so gonna get the inner corners as well. Alright. So as you can see, this compared to the Physicians Formula, this still held a curl, like a big curl. And then the Physicians Formula, not bashing on the brand, I'm just saying just those types of mascaras of the other brands, it's gonna make my eyelashes droop regardless. But just comparing the two for this experiment, I guess, it definitely held a curl better than the Physicians Formula. That it is definitely still curled, like it is really curled. And even this side as well. Whoop, nope, no, not that. You can see that side is still definitely curled, and this side is real curl. So anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this short, sweet video of my holy grail mascaras that help keep curls on Asian straight lashes. If these products didn't exist, my eyelashes wouldn't really even make my eyes pop whatsoever, because it will just do this all day. Yep, that ain't pretty. So once again, I hope you guys enjoyed this. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up so we can share this for everyone else out there who does not know about these holy grail products. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and ring that bell. Once I do upload a new video, you will get notified about it. And follow me on my social media handles. I believe it's on this side. Just to keep up with like my social life, which is probably not going to be much anyways, but follow me anywho. But in the meantime, please click on one of these videos to keep yourself occupied. But once again, thank you guys so much for watching this video. Stay safe, stay home, remember to social distance and protect yourself, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!